Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to announce the winner for the HC&C contest giveaway. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Well, I've got my shave shirt on and I am ready to go. Today's soap that is going to be given away is by HC&C, and this is Beyond the Void. I have already scooped some of this out, and this is the top shelf soap base, but what I'm picking up on that is bergamot, amber, and some sandalwood, and I know there's some other things mixed in there, so I will put a picture right here of the scent profile, and I have that already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And like I said, I used a 1/4 of a teaspoon, and this time I went a little bit thicker. I didn't use as much water, 10 milliliters of water there. So I was getting ready to get lathered up, but let me put that down here. Let's go ahead and talk about the razor. And this is the Smart Helix, or that's the company name. And this is the Apollo Light. And as you can see here, the head is very slim. And I kind of threw this together, so I don't know if you've seen that. I don't have it tightened down correctly. But I'm not editing the video that much today, but here it is. It's very slim. It's all stainless steel, and this does have 2 different plates, and there's a little pinhole for the stand. I do not have the stand, but I'm going to be using the mild plate today, which is, I don't know if you can see it here, but just has 1 line on it. The other plate has 2 lines. The razor blade that I'm going to be using is the Gillette Silver Blue. This is on the 3rd use, but first time in this particular razor. And I'm just going to set that blade down in there. And the one thing that I was going to say on this, and it probably won't pick up on camera, is the indentions in the cap is very thin, which at first I kind of thought, whoa, why is that so thin? But then when you look at the cap, it's the cap is very thin anyway, so there's not much room there, extra room for the post. And so, let me see if I can get that set down in there. Okay, there we go. So if you look there, there's a little bit of blade sticking out, but the tabs are not hanging over, so you don't have to worry about that. All right, let's set that down. And did you see the lather channels on there? It's all those little holes. I'm excited. You guys excited? Do you want me to tell you? Let's do the giveaway now. All right. I want to do a screenshot of the random comment picker, and I'm going to exclude multiple comments. So if you commented several times, or we had, a whole string of a conversation there, hey, I'm talking to you, not you, but sorry about the pointing. All right, so let's watch the drawing. And Evil Niffy, congratulations, you won this shave soap. And whenever I was talking to Pete yesterday, he said that he wanted to include 2 $15 gift cards. So please contact me, either email, or if you want to get a hold of me through YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. I will need to get your mailing address, your full name, and no phone number. But Pete is going to need your email, so he's going to get a hold of you for the gift cards. Congratulations. You're going to love this soap. All right, well, let's go ahead and apply the lather. I'm not going to be using any pre-shave today because, well, this soap is that kind of soap that you don't need to pre-shave. It's got all the extra goodies in there, and so I figured, why not? Let's just give this thing a full run for its money. And the scent is very pleasing. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. I had let my wife get a little whiff of it, and she did say that she enjoyed that scent. So if you guys are thinking about buying this, it is a, you know, it's a scent that women will love, and I'm sure you will too. I'm going to go ahead and warm the razor up. And I know some of you may be a little disappointed, but I do want to say I'm going to be doing some additional giveaways, so don't get too upset. I've got a few other things from HC&C that I'm going to be giving away, and I will let you know when that is coming up. If you guys haven't noticed, I did get a haircut. I was looking kind of scraggly in that last video when I was doing the editing. You guys need to let me know. Oh yeah. Listen to that beauty. Well, I don't know about the weather for you guys, but we have been experiencing a little bit of the snow coming through. And when I say a little, we've kind of been stuck in the house for the last couple days. I live in the country, and the township is not real quick about getting the roads cleared out, but like the state highways and the county highways usually get taken care of a lot quicker. And so I usually just kind of wait patiently, because there's nothing I need to rush to the stores and pick up. This razor is very mild, but yet it does a pretty good job on the first pass. The soap has a lot of residual slickness. I thought I went a little heavy with the soap, or light on the water, but I don't know. Kind of a little bit thinner. That's okay. You know, every time you get a soap, you're going to have to kind of learn it. And sometimes when you're excited because you're doing a giveaway, I have a mirror over here that I look in sometimes. Yeah, I think I went with a little bit too much water, or not enough soap. You pick. We're going to go across the grain here. Even though I have it thin, the soap is doing excellent with the glide. Oh yeah. I probably couldn't snap my fingers if I wanted to. So I do want to say thank you, Pete, because he does watch some of my videos, for contributing to the channel and supporting me with a giveaway. That's very nice. I'm thinking about some other stuff here. You ever just have one of those days that your mind's filled with all these things and you get distracted? I do want to thank everybody that commented on the videos and participated in the giveaway. It's very nice. I was trying to think what I'm going to do for Will It Shave Wednesday. Starting to run low on crazy shaves. Let me get cleaned up and I will be right back. All right, off camera, I did a cool water rinse, followed up with drying off with the Lancaster towel, ice cube, a little bit of Stirling Unscented splash, and of course, some Star Jelly. And one thing I was going to say about that razor is the Gillette Silver Blue blade, and that was very smooth, and it did an excellent job mowing down compared to the Gillette Platinum, which was a little bit rougher. And then I tried a couple of the the Gillette 7 o'clocks. I tried the yellow and the black, and you know, those were kind of, they were okay, but nothing to speak home about. And I'm still kind of getting over the COVID thing. It's been the whole coughing thing has still been kicking me a little bit, and I'm ready to get rid of that junk. So hopefully, you know, it's going to be gone soon. And I do want to say that coming up, I'm very close to the 2,000 subscriber mark, and I will be doing a giveaway on that. And I'm thinking about doing a razor giveaway. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now to help out the channel. And I do want to say thanks again to Pete for contributing. And I had an excellent shave. I do recommend the soap. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. Go over there to hendrixclassics.com. If not, I'll have a link down below to the products. And there you go. So, like I said, I do have a couple other things that Pete sent that I'll be giving away. Stay tuned for those videos, and you guys have a great rest of your weekend.